Please cut off the nylon ties on the packing box with a tool. Take out the top layer of foam. The type of AC charging cable that is pluggable or embedded varies, according to local laws and regulations. Please refer to the actual product. If you do not use the charging port for a long time, please close the charging port cover. To ensure optimal performance, please keep Wave 2 in a fixed position for 2 hours prior to initial use, and avoid tilting it beyond 15 degrees inlet and outlet distances from the wall are greater than 50 centimeters. Please carefully read the quick guide before you use the device. Place the main unit on top of the battery, then slide it until the battery clips onto the bottom, then plug it into the main unit. Short press the power button. You can long press it for 3 seconds to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Long press mode selection. You can switch real-time ambient temperature or the real-time air outlet temperature. To adjust the temperature on your unit, press and hold the temperature button to choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press and hold to turn on the external circulation drainage of the water tank. Scan the QR code and download the EcoFlow app. Open the app. Search and connect your Wave 2. Tap different buttons, select different functions, and set the details. The app will make it easier for you to choose a different mode, so you'll have peace of mind knowing that you'll stay cool or warm whenever you want. When you use the Wave 2 outdoors, simply install the air outlet duct, extend the duct into the tent, and you are ready to go. When Wave 2 is used in indoor scenarios, the air ducts must be installed at the rear inlet and outlet respectively. In the external circulation drainage mode, connect and stop it to a drainage pipe. The water can be drained up to 1 meter away from the interior. When heating or ambient humidity is high, you can choose to drain by external circulation. Please drain the remaining water from the unit manually if you do not use the Wave 2 for a long period. To maintain the Wave 2, you should clean the unit according to the following steps. First, remove the air inlet, then rinse it with water and gently clean it with a brush. When you are not using, you can use the winder to tangle the AC charging cable for storage. If you have EcoFlow portable power stations like Delta, you can connect them by port XT150. The Wave 2 add-on battery can also be used as an extra battery for the Delta 2 unit.